Welcome to Quiz Pops, the ultimate quiz and knowledge hub. This is Would You Rather Challenge, Animal Edition. Before moving forward, subscribe to Quiz Pops for more challenging quiz videos. Let's begin. Would you rather have a puppy or kitten? Would you rather dress up your pet or never dress them up? Would you prefer to ride a horse or a camel? Tell us in comments. Run for your life. Choose between tiger and bear. Rooster that wake you up every morning, or parrot that talks with you all the time? Would you prefer a pet snake or tarantula? Do you love black cats or orange cats? If you don't want to give up your pet, like this video. Which is smarter, cats or dogs? Which one do you like? Tell us in the comments. Would you rather taste dog food or fish food? Play with a dolphin or play with panda? Communicate with animals or speak all the languages? Swim with sharks or swim with turtles? A pet that scratches all the furniture or a pet that bites your shoes? Choose between these cute ones. Reptiles or rodents? Which is smarter? Would you rather have a pony or a horse? Do you like a playful pet or a calm pet? Would you rather have a clownfish or a piranha in your fish tank? Which one do you prefer? Playing with a cat or playing with a dog? Take care of a baby monkey or take care of a baby kangaroo? What do you prefer? Go on a safari or go snorkeling? Would you rather tame a squirrel or tame a rabbit? What do you like? Pet animals or wild animals? Have a spider in your room or have mosquitoes in your room? What do you prefer? Be raised by gorillas or be raised by wolves? A flying squirrel or a flying fish? Adapt this pet or comment on your favorite pet. Walk a cat on a leash or walk a rabbit on a leash? Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to Quiz Pops for more interesting videos.